Everything I do, I don't do. I do the other thing. Everything I go across the street that way, I'm going up. Holla at your boy. I do other things.
Praise to the Most High. Praise when I walk in a room, cause I'm too fly. What's up, y'all? I'm back with another one, and I'm back for good now. Today we're gonna be doing an unboxing video. Y'all already know these are my favorite type of videos. Let's get straight to it. But y'all know we never get really straight to it. You know, we gotta do the fit check. First, we starting off with the tee. You already see how fire this tee is. My boy Kian got it for me straight from France. He literally went to France and got this for me. Shout out to my brother Kian, bro. Shorts, you already see it's all black. For the feet, you already know we rocking with the UGG slips. Alright, let's get to the video right now. Alright, so for the first pickup, I'm not gonna lie, it's something calm, but it's something I needed to have. At first, I wasn't sure, but I saw the price go from $80 to $25, and I knew it was the chance to get them. Give me a second. You feel me, bro? Like, these shades really describe me. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't do an unboxing because I unboxed them already. When I got these in the mail, I unwrapped it dumb fast. I'm not gonna lie, like, these had to be put on. I feel like when I wear these, I'm really in my truest element. These shades represent me. The name of this brand is called 369 Los Angeles, and that brand is like on some spiritual fly shit. Like, you know, that's really me. But enough about me. Look at the shade. Yo, they did not miss, bro. Like, when you see me this summer, it's gonna be black shades or these. Look at the details, bro. Like, to keep it short and simple, I really love these. I surely just do the rest of the vid in these shades, right? Hell, y'all not ready. Y'all not ready. For this next pickup, not gonna lie, it took a minute to come here. But it's here now, you feel me? Patience is a virtue. This hoodie right here, I'm not gonna lie, this is the cherry on top to a masterful master class fit I'm gonna put together. So without further ado, feel me? Like, hold on, I'm gonna put it on so y'all can really see what I'm working with. You feel me?
What do you do, HB?
Wait, hold on. Yeah, you feel me? Like, feel me on it. So yeah, y'all see the hoodie. This brand is called Exhibit Worldwide. It's beautiful, you feel me? You see the nice purple and the swirl? I could do a lot with it, and y'all know what sneakers I got from the last pickup video. If y'all know, y'all know. Go watch the last pickup video. Y'all gonna really know. This is like perfect with it. I'm gonna get this hoodie a 10 out of 10. Everything I pick up to me is a 10 out of 10, but I saw it with the shades. That's what really made it like a 10.5 out of 10. This is my hoodie from Exhibit Worldwide once again, and I love it. I ain't gonna lie. For this next pickup, can't even front. I've been waiting to show y'all these because a lot of people sleeping on the sneaker or they don't know about this sneaker. It's a New Balance, but y'all gonna see what I'm talking about. I'm so dedicated to my unboxing videos, I didn't even wear these even though I really wanted to. I saw these in Foot Locker about like maybe a month ago, and I was just like, yeah, let me pick it up. Woo! God. These are the New Balance 725s. It's a lot of like New Balance 530s, 9060, 574. I know my sneakers and New Balances, so I'm a nerd when it comes to that. But yo, these 725s, these are the best New Balance dad shoe there is, bro. This beats every one of them. I don't like how like some dad shoes on the side be looking ugly for New Balance. Like, it look nice on one way and then it's like flat on the other side. You see this? This is swag right here. Like, bro, you telling me if I don't throw these shades on with this shoe, bro, that wouldn't go crazy? Like, this just matches the retro fire vibe. Come on, y'all gotta see it with me, see the vision with me. This shoe right here is tough, and now that I showed y'all, I'm definitely about to put these on my feet ASAP. For this next pickup, I kind of teased it in my last video. I've been wearing it since the moment I got them, and I usually don't do that with any of my clothes. Like, if I get something, I usually wait a month or two, maybe even 3, maybe even a year. I'm not gonna lie, it's a lot of clothes I do not wear right away, but these pants right here, I couldn't waste no time. These easily became my favorite pants of the year, maybe my favorite pants ever. Voila, we got the prestigious Garment sweats. These are so crazy right here. I took a flick in them. I'm gonna just post it here because I'm not gonna put all of this on right now. These sweats right here, top 2 and not 2. I recently got these like maybe like 3-4 weeks ago. and somebody I know was rolling and kind of rolled loose, so like the thing came on my pants, and yeah, I had to get it sewed. It was a hole in my pants. After the cherry burnt my sweats, I had to get it sewed up ASAP. I don't even care, like, bro, these pants are my everything. But shout out to Prestigious Garments again. I shouted them out in my last video, and I'm gonna shout out the brand again, because these sweats, y'all missing out, bro. Y'all are missing out. These pants are top tier. These next pieces I'm about to show y'all, I got inspired to buy. I don't really buy a set of clothing, you feel me? Like a shirt that matches pants and hoodie that matches sweats. Like, that's really not my swag. But when I seen this fit, I was like, I gotta buy the set. Voila, you feel me? We got the Stax World tee. Y'all see how we coming? And look at the back. Details. Pay attention to the back. Shout out Stax World for this. This is the t-shirt. Now I'm about to show y'all the sweats. I see how they package the sweats. This is fire. But they just threw the tee in a bag. Like, what the hell? Like, no covering or nothing. But it's cool. It's cool though. Like, we don't complain. As long as the quality's still Gucci when it get here, I'm not complaining. Bro, what the? Like, now the bag not opening. What the? I say less. Voila again. Now I'm gonna show y'all the fit that I saw and why I had to cop. My boy Stax World is his brand. He went crazy in that fit, so I had to. Like, I don't know what I'm gonna do with it on the feet aspect, but I'm gonna see what I could do, and I'm not gonna force it. You never force a fit. That's how you mess it up. Pro tip. But y'all see, I had to cop this. Like, it's perfect for the summer. You got the nice tee, and you got the nice flare sweats. I never had a pair of flare sweats, so I had to like just try it out, switch up my swag real quick, see what that's about, you know. And I got a small in this tee, I'm not gonna lie. I usually get a medium and everything, but I'm embracing my frame, you know. Like, not that mediums look big on me, but like, I'm now like loving my frame, because I'm really like been putting them calisthenics and mad pull-ups, mad chin-ups, everything, bro. So I've been wearing more like tighter fitting clothing up top, and then, you know, still loose and chill on the bottom. Pose. That Stax World pickup, not gonna lie, I can't wait to see what I do with this one. For this next pickup, y'all know if y'all really see me in public, I'm probably wearing a hat. A fitted is like a part of my uniform naturally, so I had to pick up a new hat. Yes sir, we got the Cincinnati Reds hat, you feel me? Had to do the nice black and red vibe. You see the nice hint of white? That's gonna set everything up. And oh yeah, I'm definitely wearing my hats like this all summer, bro. Like, straight to the back beside, you feel me? We're not doing the old fashioned like blah blah or the 2002 type vibe. Now we doing it like meet me in the middle with it, you feel me? Like, calm, you know, we doing it like this, like wouldn't that be a hard album cover if I'm just like, it's really like uniform, I'm telling y'all. So, and y'all see the details in the patch, like, y'all see that? Y'all see that? This is what really make fitteds classic. When you got the embroidered like patch on the side, come on, bro. Like, I gotta get in tune with my swag, bro. Like, come on, bro. And yeah, since we're on the topic of hats, I'm not gonna lie, I was in Walmart the other day and I saw some hats, and I'm like, a hat from Walmart? I gotta do it, you feel me? I gotta really show y'all I could really put things from the simplest places like Walmart on and make it look crazy. Watch what I do with this hat when I put it with a fit that's coming real soon. Like, y'all gonna really see, like, stay tuned for real. Like, the fit is gonna be insane. Wow, like a regular camo hat. Like, when I put it to the back, see, I could do this to the back. I could do this to the back, but I can't, like, you know. Feel me? I look like a drill sergeant. Fuck out of here, you know? But right here, this is smooth, you know? What I do with this hat to the fit, y'all gonna really be like, this man's a mad genius. Like, y'all gonna see though. But to the next pickup. Alright, so for the last pickup, I know it's the last one. I haven't really been copping nothing crazy. But for this last pickup, it's well worth every second of this video. I picked up my Grailed shoe, bro. I mentioned it in my sneaker video, what's my Grailed shoe. So without further ado, matter of fact, let me give y'all a little story time. Y'all wanna hear a little story? I don't care, I'm still gonna tell y'all. So one day I'm just, you know, high, my frequency was raised high, you know, I was just like thinking about outfits and like, damn, I really want this shoe. So I just went on like Go and I was seeing how much they going for. I saw a price that was really too good to be true. I'm like, oh nah. But I look at the condition not bad. I'm like, yo, but for the price that they were selling at too, I was like, yo, for this price, I could get them refurbished, I could get them Gucci, and I'm still gonna get them below retail. So the next thing I did was, even though the price was low, I tried to offer the seller even lower, and he accepted. So I was like, smooth, you feel me? So now I got it for below retail and a little discount on top of that. So I know GOAT authentifies kicks to see if they real or not. It went through them. They emailed me saying, yo, there's an odor to the sneaker. So when they saying like it's an odor, I'm like, yo, what this sneaker smell like? Like dog shit? Like what happened? Like what it smell like for real? Long story short, they give me another fake discount because the sneaker had an odor, but they authentified it. It came back like this is 100% real, and yeah, it just smelled like dog shit possibly. Long story short, I get this shoe. I'm gonna show y'all a little clip of how I look when I unboxed it at first. First, let me take a smell. You know what they smell like? Bro might have smoked mad bogeys, or like people just used to smoke cigarettes around him or whatever, but I'm not here to judge. I got him. I got him. I got him. As I can see, we got the black metallic 5s, bro. Oh my goodness. And look at the condition. No creases, nothing really crazy on this. Y'all see the sides, it's like kind of yellowing, but not like stupid crazy. But I could still get this clean, and I think I'm gonna do it. But at the same time, it's like, do I really even need to? But nah, I might do it just cause like I want them to look as new as possible. I'm gonna be tight if Jordan really come out with these sneakers next year, bro. Like I'm really gonna be pissed. But at the same time, this is a 2016 pair, so they almost like 10 years old. So I really won't be shocked if they do on some dumb shit. But yeah, I got my babies. If you know me, you know how much I love this sneaker. So all praise to the Most High. Praise when I walk in a room, cause I'm too fly. That's all my pickups since the last video. These are the pickups I haven't put on camera yet. If y'all stay tuned to my channel, y'all see pickups I get in between that I didn't put on this video. And it just feel good to be back on camera. I get people telling me like, yo, I really mess with your shit. I really can't express how thankful I am. And as this channel keep growing, I love every single one of y'all. Love pesos and besos to every single person that watch this video. Like, subscribe, and comment if y'all want, because y'all really don't be commenting. But matter of fact, do me a favor, comment what's the best pickup I made. I think it's the shades personally, you feel me? Fuck! Yeah, you telling me this is not the best pickup? You're crazy or lying, and lying if y'all say this is not the best pickup. Just tell me what y'all think is the best pickup. I'm gonna catch y'all.
Just do what I do. That shit.